Ever looked up at the night sky and wondered what's out there? You see all these stars, galaxies, and nebulae, but there's something more mysterious lurking in the depths of space. Black holes. Black holes are one of the most fascinating, and terrifying, things in the universe. But what exactly are they? Let's dive into it, and trust me, it's going to get wild. Alright, first things first. A black hole is basically a point in space where gravity is so strong, not even light can escape. That's why we call it black. There's no way for anything to get out once it crosses the event horizon, the point of no return. Imagine a star that's used up all its fuel and collapses under its own gravity. This creates a singularity, a super dense point where all the mass of that star is crushed into a tiny space. That's where the black hole begins. Black holes come in different sizes. Some are as small as a single atom, but the mass of a mountain. These are called micro black holes. But others are massive, like the supermassive black holes at the center of galaxies, like the one in our own Milky Way, known as Sagittarius A. These supermassive black holes can have a mass millions, or even billions, of times heavier than our Sun. Yeah, that's a lot of gravity. Now, since black holes don't emit any light, we can't exactly see them. But we can see the effects they have on nearby stars and gas. If a star gets too close, it gets torn apart by the black hole's gravity. This is called spaghettification. Sounds freaky, right? We can also spot the shadow of a black hole, like the one the Event Horizon Telescope captured in 2019. That was the first ever image of a black hole's event horizon, and it blew everyone's mind. So, what happens if you fall into one of these things? Well, if you're lucky enough to survive the journey in the first place, which you wouldn't, you'd get stretched out like spaghetti as you approach the event horizon. Fun, right? But once you cross the event horizon, you can't come back. It's all downhill from there. Time also behaves strangely near a black hole. Time slows down, so if you fell in, from your perspective, it might feel like time is standing still. But for anyone watching you, you'd seem to freeze in place and never actually enter. Black holes are still one of the universe's biggest mysteries. We don't fully understand them yet, and maybe we never will. But that's part of what makes them so fascinating. They're like nature's final frontier, a place where the rules of physics start to break down. And who knows, maybe one day, we'll find a way to unlock their secrets. If you enjoyed this video and want to dive deeper into more mysteries of the universe, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. I'll see you in the next one.